Let's move on now to also what's happening in Telangana, where you're seeing a whole lot of communal politics ahead of the Jubilee Hills bypoll. This is a crucial bypoll, by the way, in Hyderabad, which was happening next week. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has triggered a massive controversy with a remark that he's made where essentially he suggested that if the Congress exists, then Muslims exist. And so what essentially he's trying to say is that the honor of Muslims is protected. Without Congress, they are nothing. This is what he said in a rally. And this obviously has led to a huge showdown with the VHP, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, saying that this is classic vote bank pitch being made very publicly, alleging that the Congress is trying to secure minority votes by projecting itself as the sole protector. The Congress, however, has responded to all of the criticism, claiming that Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's remarks have been twisted. In fact, Mohammad Azharuddin, who only days ago was sworn in as a cabinet minister, has insisted that the party stands for Muslims and minorities. But decide for yourself exactly how we should decipher what Revanth Reddy said. Listen to what he said.
कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है. जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है.
ये पूरे फैक्ट पूरे मिसरिप्रेजेंट है, तो उसमें क्या गलत क्या बोल रहे हैं? मुसलमान है उसका मतलब ये है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और मुसलमान दोनों एक ही है बोल के बोल रहे हैं. ऐसा कुछ उसमें अब अगर आप हर चीज़ को आप नेगेटिव निकालेंगे तो फिर उसका फिर अंत ही नहीं है, एंड ही नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे इस टॉपिक को ज़्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ाते मैं ये कहूँगा कि सीएम साहब ने बिल्कुल सही कहा. कांग्रेस पार्टी और मुसलमान एक है और कहीं अब से नहीं है, कई साल से है. अब से नहीं हो रहा, कई साल से एक ही है. जब से इंडिपेंडेंस है जब से एक से है. तो उसमें कोई इतना ज़्यादा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है सोचने की.
Okay, let me bring in Abdul Bashir, joining us live from Hyderabad with more details on this. Abdul, how... All right, we'll reconnect with him. My apologies. We're going to reconnect with Abdul in just a bit. We've lost the connection with him, but it tells you really how heated the Jubilee Hills battle currently is. And the fact that the Telangana Chief Minister also, while making this pitch for minorities to vote for the Congress, made this comment. I want you to listen in once again to exactly what Revanth Reddy said that triggered this whole controversy, with the BJP and right-wing groups like the VHP also lashing out, saying that this makes it crystal clear that vote bank politics is at play as far as the Congress is concerned. Listen in again to exactly what the Telangana Chief Minister said.
कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है. जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है. कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है. जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है.
So it's the last line that's triggered a controversy, where Revanth Reddy says, if the Congress is not there, then Muslims are nothing, suggesting that it's the Congress that's ensured that this religion essentially thrives. And that's what's led to all of the vote bank allegations here. The Congress, however, has defended what the Telangana Chief Minister has said, making it very clear that what essentially he's trying to communicate is that the Congress stands by this community and ensures their well-being, ensures that they're represented. Having said that, this has led to a political showdown as the BJP has also lashed out. Abdul Bashir is joining us with more details on this. Abdul, has there been any clarification from the Telangana Chief Minister on that particular comment that he's made? Because it's triggered a political storm in Telangana.
Well, yes, yesterday, after this statement by the Chief Minister of Telangana during an election campaigning in the Jubilee Hills bypoll in Rahmatnagar, where he has given a statement claiming that if Congress exists, then Muslims exist, and that is the purpose or trust that Muslims have. And if there is no Congress, then there is no Muslims, is what he stated. Now, this statement has sparked controversy yesterday, and we have just got a clarity from the Telangana Minister Azharuddin, where he has said that the statement is being misrepresented.
That's
by
right. So,
the opposition.
Mohammad Azharuddin clearly defending that particular comment. Of course, he's just been sworn in as a minister, saying that this is just messaging from the Congress that they will stand by Muslims in this country. Thanks, Abdul, for those details. But let's talk about that political fight in the Jubilee Hills seat, shall we? It's a by-election that's turned into a full-on battle. Now, you've got essentially a lot of candidates in the fray. The BJP's put up their candidate, trying to make inroads as they have in Telangana. So this seat is crucial for them. The BRS also trying to make their presence felt. For the Congress also, this is messaging that they want to send across. that there's no sense of anti-incumbency really that's building up in Telangana.
The Jubilee Hills by-election has turned into a high-voltage political battle, with parties trading fierce barbs and voters sharply divided. A controversy has erupted after a remark by Congress leader Muhammad Ali Shabir during a campaign in Bihar, intensifying the slugfest in Hyderabad.
हमारा वोट कोई भी गलती से भी हम डाल दे तो वो डायरेक्ट बीजेपी को जा रहा है, वो पतंग को नहीं जा रहा, वो कमल को जा रहा है। ये सोच लो, पतंग बोल के समझ के गलती से डालेंगे वो वोट बीजेपी में जा रहा है, तो उसको बचाना है आपको, उनके बातों में नहीं आना है। ये एक वोट की कीमत है।
AIMIM isn't backing down.
काम करवाना हमको आता है और हम हर एक से काम करवाएंगे और करवाते आए। हम किसी के दुम छलने बनकर किसी के पीछे दौड़ने वालों में से नहीं है। दुनिया को दिख रहा है कि हम भाग रहे हैं, लेकिन दुनिया ये नहीं देख रही है कि वो हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं, हमारे पीछे दौड़ रहे हैं।
Voters of Jubilee Hills appear divided.
बीआरएस पार्टी के इसे स्कीमा थे, केसीआर साहब के काम बहुत बेहतरीन थे, इसके से बीआरएस आए तो अच्छा रहता बोल के हम सोच रहे। वादे करे मगर वादों को अमल नहीं कर सके ना साहब। केसीआर साहब जो बात करते थे उसके ऊपर अमल भी करते थे।
तो टीआरएस से डेवलपमेंट ना हुआ यहाँ पर अपने एरिया जुबली हिल्स में। अब ये नवीन आए तो होगा इंशाल्लाह। लोकल है ना यहाँ पर, वो हिसाब से डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है।
Congress candidate Naveen Yadav distanced himself from Shabir Ali's statement, focusing instead on local issues.
Many problems lagging since decades. With the blessings of people, Congress is going to win in Jubilee Hills, and we will do much more development activities in constituency.
But BRS working president KT Rama Rao hit back, questioning the AIMIM's support for Congress and highlighting past governance records. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy claimed the welfare of Muslims depended on the Congress.
कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है। जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है।
फैक्ट पूरे मिसरिप्रेजेंट है, तो उसमें क्या गलत क्या बोल रहे हैं? मुसलमान है, उसका मतलब ये है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और मुसलमान दोनों एक ही है बोल के बोल रहे हैं। ऐसा कुछ उसमें अब अगर आप हर चीज़ को अब नेगेटिव निकालेंगे तो फिर उसका फिर अंत ही नहीं है, एंड ही नहीं है।
BJP candidate Lankala Deepak accused both Congress and BRS of governance failures.
यहाँ पे करंट प्रॉब्लम्स रहता, रोड प्रॉब्लम्स रहता, हाई टेंशन वायर का प्रॉब्लम रहता, घरों को रेगुलराइज करने का प्रॉब्लम रहता, सब कुछ करते बोल के वोट डालने के बाद कोई आने वाला नहीं है।
With tensions running high, voter sentiment split and parties trading charges, Jubilee Hills has emerged as one of Hyderabad's most fiercely contested battles. Every vote, every statement is under the microscope as the city watches this political firestorm unfold. With Abdul Bashir in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.